It has been a while you heard from me. Yes, I'm sorry for that. I was kind of occupied. Yeah, I'm back. So, in today's tutorial, what we're going to do is detect a face using the Python programming language. We are going to write a code that will detect a face. Yeah, isn't it amazing? Yeah, it's very amazing. So, take a coffee, be with me, and let's get it. Okay, so for us to write a code that will help us to detect a face, we have what do we call it? A module. Yeah, a module. It is at a site called the OpenCV. Yeah, OpenCV. So you head on to Chrome, you type in OpenCV. The first search result is a GitHub link. So you go there and you install a module called the you install a module called the HAR Cascade Frontal Face Default XML. Yeah, HAR Cascade Frontal Face Default XML. So when you do that, you head back to VS Code or PyCharm. You install what we call OpenCV. Yeah. So you punch in pip install Python OpenCV. Yeah, that's it. And after everything, you come here. You see that we are importing the OpenCV, and the short term for is CV2, right? Is CV2, is CV2. So we import CV2, yeah. So after importing CV2, we need to train our model. We need to give it a tons of images, so that it can be able to detect roughly 90% images, right? And if we take our time doing it, it will take us hours to do it. We have engineers who has worked on this project. They have trained tens and thousands of images. So this algorithm is 99% yeah, guaranteed that you get the expected output. So and the algorithm is called the HAR Cascade Frontal Face Default XML. The person who worked on it is called HAR, and cascade mean like you fusing in, yeah, you are fusing in things. Yeah, and let me explain some concept to you guys. The thing is, what we are coming to do, it entails three steps. We need to train our data. We need to import a certain image, like how should I put it? It's like something we are trying out. We are testing like a tester, right? And the image the tester. And how this thing works is that the image must be converted to a grayscale. Grayscale here means it must be converted to a black and white image, right? It must be converted to a black and white image. And after everything, the user must testify that yeah, it is working. So how are you going to show to the user that our app is working? So we must draw a rectangle or something similar to rectangle when the face detected at the very place where the face is detected, right? So let's continue, guys. So when you come here, you see you have a variable called train faces. Yeah, train faces, and here I'll copy it. Shoot. I'll copy it and paste it here. I don't want to type all this stuff, so that's why I'm copying and pasting. Right? Sorry. Yeah. So train face and the hard cascade classifier is a class. It's a function. It takes in the arguments. The algorithm that we downloaded, we put in like the directory of the file with the file name. That's the argument it's going to take, right? So that's it, guys. It's not a big deal. It's some short lines of code. Then you are done. So after we've so at this section we were importing what the algorithm we are coming to use, right? And after we imported the algorithm, what we're coming to do next is we need to train it, and we train it by giving it a certain what data. Guys, sorry for the noise. Yeah. So we train our algorithm by giving it a certain data. And what's the data? We are coming to detect faces, so we need an image so that which will help us to detect the face, right? So I have an image on my PC, so I will use it for the detection. So let's do it quickly. Yeah, it's taking a lot of time. I hope you guys are following. Yeah, I hope everyone continue. Yeah. So we are training our model, and the next thing is we have to convert it from a red colored picture towards a black and white picture, right? So let us convert it to a black and white picture. And this line of code is helping us to convert it to a black and white picture. So we have grayscale image equal to the OpenCV, which is the CV2.cvt color, and we pass in the argument the image and the color in which we want to change it to, right? So that's the purpose of this line of code. So that's it. Sorry, guys. Pardon me for that. Okay, so we copy it, we paste it here, we paste it here, and after converting it, what are we going to do next? We are going to draw the rectangle at the face, at the point where the face detected. And for we to draw a rectangle from basis, we are taught that plotting graphs you need what some points. And so we need a point which will help us to draw the rectangle. And the first point is x comma y, and the second is what? X plus w comma y plus h. Y plus h. And there is a method in the CV2 model which will help us to determine. So we're not going to do it manually, which will help us, which will determine the coordinates of the face automatically for us, right? So that's the purpose of this line of code. So from here we are just drawing stuffs. So I'll paste it here. Okay, so let me uncomment all of these stuffs. So let me uncomment. Yeah, guys, bear with me. Okay, so after we've drawn the rectangle at the face, we show the image to the user with the rectangle at the face. Yeah, and you see the last line of code we have cv2.wait key. If we do not bring this function, the image will close immediately as soon as it is opened. So we want it to be closed when the key is entered, when the key is pressed. So that's why we brought it. So there's no, like, it's not. Yeah. So let's test our program if it is working. It's taking a lot of time. Yeah, boom. You see it's, yeah, it's working, guys. So you see that we have rectangle at the point where the faces are. Yeah, it looks like a magic. Yeah, we have engineers working. So that's it, guys. Thank you. So if you have any question, comment it out. I will do my best to help you. Thank you, guys.